In June 9, 2008, Apple introduced the iPhone 3G, combining all the revolutionary features of iPhone with 3G networking that is twice as fast as the first-generation iPhone, built-in GPS for expanded location-based mobile services, which is second of all.
iPhone 3G gives users ever faster access to the internet and email over their cellular network with quad-band GSM and tri-band HSDPA for voice and data connectivity around the world. iPhone 3G supports Wi-Fi, 3G and Edge networks and automatically switches between them to ensure the fastest possible download speeds. The new iPhone 3G also makes it easier to multitask with simultaneous voice and data communications, so with iPhone 3G you can browse the web, get map directions, or check your email while you are on a call. iPhone 3G includes the new iPhone 2.0 software with both the iPhone SDK and key enterprise features such as support for Microsoft Exchange ActiveSync to provide over-the-air push email, contact and calendar syncing, as well as Remote Wipe and Cisco IPsec VPN for encrypted access to corporate networks. The iPhone SDK allows developers to create amazing applications that leverage the iPhone's groundbreaking multi-touch user interface, animation technology, accelerometer and GPS technology on the world's most advanced mobile platform.